Welcome to home cooking. It is easy. Everyone can cook. Today in this video I am going to show you how to make mango coconut jelly. This is easy recipe. It's great for the summer, refreshing and delicious. Let's get started. Make mango layer. Add 1 cup cubed honey mango in a blender. 1/4 cup carrot juice. Carrot juice goes well with mango. But if you don't like carrot juice you can use orange juice. Blend the mango and carrot juice until smooth. Set aside. Add 1 1/3 cup water. Add 2 teaspoons agar-agar powder. Stir well to distribute the powder. Bring to boil on medium heat. Stir until agar-agar powder is well dissolved. Add 1/3 cup sugar. Stir constantly until sugar is dissolved. Add mango puree. Stir until mix well and smooth. Turn off the heat, then add a piece of lime juice to test or adding more sugar if needed. Pour the mango mixture into a pan or tray, using the bag of spoon. Add ½ cup mango cube. Add mint leaf. This is an option. Mint leaf will make nice smell, then leave at room temperature until the surface is set. Now let making coconut layer. Add 1 cup water. Add 1½ teaspoon agar-agar powder. Stir to distribute the powder. Then bring to boil on medium heat and stirring frequently until agar-agar powder is dissolved. Add 5 to 6 tablespoons sugar. 1/8 of a teaspoon salt. Stir until is dissolved. Add 1 cup coconut milk. Then stir to mix well. Turn off the heat and you have to use coconut mixture immediately if the mango layer has set. Now mango is set. Pour the coconut mixture over the back of a spoon gently so it not break or cause dents in the mango layer and it will look smooth. Leave at room temperature until the coconut layer is set, then put refrigerate for a few hours until cold. Cut into pieces. Time to serve. You can add mint leaf on top to look nice before serve. That is how you make mango coconut jelly. Enjoy!